Um, how can someone with a non-technical background start understanding or working with AI?
You're saying, how does a non-tech person, you mean, how did I start? Yeah, because I was a non-tech person. I think it's absolutely insane if I think about it that I'm in charge of product dev with an engineer, that we run that entire division. And I will say there's a couple things. One is you got to lean into your learner self. That, again, that explorer mindset, I really keep emphasizing that for a reason. That one of the great things about AI is there's not a lot of experts. Like, seriously, we don't know. Nobody seems to know what they're doing yet. It's still too new. It's not mature yet, which is terribly stressful at times, but also means it's very wide open. You are not too late, you are not behind, and the AI tools themselves are so intuitive. You have some ability to be a decision maker and in a powerful position because you understand how they work, how to use them well. So I think the biggest thing about AI, the two things I would tell you is number one, most of the tools, there's some free version. You don't have to, there's no commitment to you financially to just start playing around. And number two, this kind of learning is not you taking notes on a course, it's you actually playing around. The best way for you to get good at understanding what AI can do, what it doesn't do well, what the differences are between different things and how similar they are, and how you would make decisions, that's all on you just trying them out. I know that everyone's busy, but again, if you have decided that this is the moment for you to go back to a particular industry, a career, or to start a new one, you are going to need to do a short time where you actually carve it out. This is for you. I think that's been the hardest thing is I find that to be a good learner in AI, I have to commit to the time. It says hold on there, and the hold is as much for me as it is for my teammates. That 30 minutes on a Thursday morning at 8 a.m. is mine, and I'm not going to allow any other good reason to keep me from doing it. And that, I think, is the most challenging piece. And that's where your community, particularly here at Moms Relaunch, could be very helpful. That you all push each other to help yourselves. Don't keep putting yourself last if you find that to be a problem.